Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 4 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Cargo. They're looking for a researcher for social media shopping. It pays up to $60 per hour. Are you someone who enjoys scrolling on TikTok and discovering cool products? Looking for a part-time job that involves those interests? At Cargo, we are looking for a part-time tipster to help us discover cool products through entertaining social media video content and matching the product to its online retailer store. The ideal candidate for this position would be someone who has extra time on their hands, whether it's from being a college, grad student, or even a WFH working professional. Has an interest in shopping and content creators. Loves being the first person to get their hands on new products. Ideally based in US or North America. We are looking for someone who is happy to work a few hours and submit 20 to 30 products, videos per day. If you are interested in applying, please follow the link below and submit your application form. We look forward to hearing from you. Job type, part-time. Salary from $60 per day. Schedule, Monday to Friday. Self-determined schedule. Supplemental pay types. Commission pay. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Strategic Vantage. They're looking for a virtual administrative assistant, marketingassistant, office manager. It pays up to $28 an hour. Thriving Marketing, Social Media, and Public Relations Agency is seeking an administrative assistant, office manager to work in a friendly team environment. Individual will do office administration and will provide support for marketing, social media, and public relations projects. Seeking a candidate who has high attention to detail, is proactive, and enjoys working in a sometimes fast-paced environment. Sample duties: set up and distribute the agency's monthly newsletter via Constant Contact. Support the agency's marketing staff by managing design vendors, getting estimates, overseeing the timely execution of projects, etc. Distribute press releases via Constant Contact. Post press releases on agency website. Provide support to the agency bookkeeper. Oversee the agency's HR matters. Answer the agency's main phone number. Make basic social media posts. Book conference hotels and conference registrations. Provide clients estimates for projects based on agency guidelines. Proof newly created websites. Perform simple online research. Qualifications: ability to work independently. Good typing skills. Please take the brief Indeed typing assessment to be considered for this position. Proficient in MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Fluent English with excellent grammar and writing skills. The ability to write emails in grammatically correct, polite English is a must since individual will interface directly with clients. An interest or experience in marketing and social media are a plus. Good web researching skills. Quick and accurate typing. High level of accuracy and attention to detail. The attention to detail assessment on Indeed is required for consideration for this position. Consistency of meeting deadlines. Strong organizational skills to complete and prioritize multiple projects. Ability to learn quickly and efficiently. Must be legally permitted to work in the United States. Please make sure your resume indicates your personal email so that we may reach you to easily coordinate an interview. Job type, contract. Pay up to $28 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule. Schedule, Monday to Friday. Application question: what's your highest level of education? If you are selected as a finalist for this position, would you take a brief IQ test to confirm you're a good fit for the role? Are you available to work 30 hours per week during standard business hours? What hourly rate are you seeking? Experience: office manager or administrative assistant, 2 years required. Language: English fluently required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company RoofMax. They're looking for a part-time social media and marketing assistant. It pays up to $18 an hour. RoofMax is looking for a part-time social media and marketing assistant to help with the growth of our national brand. This position is fully remote with the expectation that there will be set hours that you're available to work, but these hours don't have to be the same every day. We prefer these hours to be during work hours at least most of the week. Assist in managing company social media channels, including Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and other relevant platforms. Assist in developing, implementing content strategy, and creating an editorial calendar with this content. Engaging with customers on social media in a polite fashion. Monitor and respond to all inbox messages and notifications. General understanding of building a brand voice on social media platforms. Create and connect Facebook pages for new businesses within our dealer network. Collaborate with the marketing and content team to ensure the social media strategy is on track. Create eye-catching, appealing, and relevant images that go along with the content posted to social media. Stay up to date with social media trends and best practices. General understanding of Google My Business. Other design projects as needed. Email marketing experience is preferred. Skills and qualifications. Excellent knowledge on all social media platforms, most importantly Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Secondarily, specifically familiar with Instagram Reels and Facebook Stories. Facebook Creator Studio experience. Marketing or social media marketing major preferred. Excellent communication, writing, editing, and storytelling skills with a strong sense on how to communicate to our target audience. Graphic design experience, Adobe Creative Suite and Canva preferred. Familiar with project management and CRM platforms such as Asana, Slack, and HubSpot. Track and manage milestones and tasks in Asana. Understanding of Google Drive and all Google products. Previous experience with Zoom. Teamwork mindset with the ability to be self-motivated. Seek to come up with creative ideas and solutions. Proofreading skills. Strong customer service skills. Enthusiastic, detail-oriented, friendly, and collaborative. Technology skills, content writing. Video or photo editing a plus. Job type, part-time. Pay from $18 per hour. Benefits, flexible schedule. Schedule, Monday to Friday. Education, bachelor's required. Experience, social media marketing, 2 years required.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
below under job number 3 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this video and every single
day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Sales Genomics. They're looking for a fashion TikTok content creator. It pays from $60 a day. We are looking for TikTok content creator and social media manager. About the role, work with great consumer brands entering TikTok as their lead TikTok content creator and manager. Create strategies for client organic TikTok account growth. Research competition and plan viral videos that will grow the TikTok account. Shoot and edit TikTok videos. Reach out to and partner with other TikTok creators to get user-generated content and promote clients' account. Post on clients' TikTok account. Optimize videos with hashtags. Manage comments. Earn stable income. Requirements: decent owned TikTok account with a history of growth. And shoot good product, lifestyle, and educational videos. Great on camera, knowledge of TikTok trends, interest in e-commerce and consumer brands, ability to work directly with clients. About us, we're notorious for bringing many of our clients to the point of generating 8-figure monthly revenues in super quick time. As an official Facebook partner agency for e-commerce, we deliver full marketing funnels, from content creation, copywriting, and Facebook ads, Crow and Google ads, while always maximizing return on investment. Our team of marketing experts spans 5 continents, and our clients have truly great products that are proven to sell. The businesses we partner with understand tomorrow's marketing trends, are resourceful, and always able to support us with various kinds of ideas and footage to experiment and innovate with. Although we're far from a typical corporate environment, we believe in a work culture where suggestions and ideas for improvement are always welcomed, no matter your role and how long you have worked with us. Job type, part-time. Salary from $60 per day.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right
in the description below under job number 4 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.